we will have input as a file. It will put mapper, then mapper will make the index as the key and the entire line as value. For second line, it will be a continuous index, whatever incremental index that you have, that one. And by using our mapper logic, we will split the keys based on space, make each word as a key, assign one as the value for each key, and send word comma one, like key comma value pair, to reducer using context object. So this will how our mapper object, means our mapper output will look like high comma one, this comma one, and other things. Once this mapper sends the output to reducer, before it actually reaches reducer, there are three steps that happen: sort, merge, and combiner phase. So sort will sort the keys in alphabetical or chronological order. Merge will do the merging of those keys, and combiner will create the serialization object or iterable object, you can say. Once it reaches reducer side, we have written a reducer logic, like it will iterate through each key, and over each key it will iterate through all the values, and what we are doing, we are just adding those values so that we will get incremental value like this. Okay, so now we will go through the code, how code is written, and how do we actually execute that particular this thing, right? How do we execute that code, MapReduce code? So let me connect to my system. So this is my system. Source MapReduce. It's important to bring it into matrix now. What I'll do is I'll explain the things from here, and we have already done this code, or build the jar file. So we have to build the jar file. How to do that, I'll tell you. But once you build the jar file, you will have to give that path while running the MapReduce code. So those are like future things. Currently I will explain the code. So see, since it is a Maven project, right? So we create Maven project by going to NetBeans, and we click on new project. Inside that new project, we have a category called Maven. So by clicking on that, we have to create a Maven project. As soon as you create a Maven project, along with that project, one file will get generated. That file name is pom.xml, which you can see right now. So the structure of this pom.xml, it's basically XML file, right? So it will have the tags which are always going to be double tag, you can say, or it will come with end tag, like model version / model version, group ID / group ID, and all those things. So the important thing over here is the dependencies. What dependencies we are giving for making our project run on Hadoop or run on MapReduce. So these are 4 dependencies that we should give if you want to do MapReduce coding, or if you want to access data from HDFS. Alright, so what kind of dependencies are these? So first of all, this is Hadoop common dependency. After Hadoop common, we have Hadoop HDFS dependency, then Hadoop client, then Hadoop MapReduce client core. And if you can see, all are having version 2.6.0 because our Hadoop version is 2.6.0. So what is going to happen is, as soon as you push these entry into your form.xml file, these whatever jars are there, those jars will be downloaded, and as soon as those jars are downloaded, whatever code you have written or you are going to write, that code will start working unless and until there is some syntax error. Correct. So once we are good with that, what we do is now, see, there are a lot of things that you might be thinking is difficult, or it's quite weird. But the thing is, syntax is going to be same for all the MapReduce jobs. Okay. So the general practice regarding MapReduce is you will have a standard template. Like, let's say, consider this as a template. Okay. This will be a standard template for you guys. So what you are going to do is you are going to reuse this template again and again over the period of time. So let's say now you want to do word count. So what are the things that you have to change? You'll have to change this map method, okay, which starts here and ends here, this map method. You'll have to change reduce method, which starts here and ends here, and based on your classes, class name, or whatever name you want to give, let's say if you change your mapper class name, reducer class name, or combiner class name, or your driver class name, those things you'll have to change it over here. But otherwise all the things are going to be same always. See, general our sample Java code is how it will have package, right? Package name, then it will have public class name, and public static void main, right? Similarly, MapReduce will have this you can say structure. The only difference is this map method will be blank, right? It is not blank right now, but it will be blank, and reduce method will be blank, and name method, main method will have some garbage values, those things. So every time when you are going to create a MapReduce job, or every time when you want to write a new MapReduce code, you take this template, you copy paste it into your NetBeans, and you do the changes in map method, reduce method, and main method, and you build the jar and run your code like that.